Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing the Pout Pout Fish. So let's get started. To draw this cute fish, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a straight line. About this wide. And then I'm going to come underneath it and draw a curve. And then I'm going to go across just a little bit, say about this wide, and do the same thing for the other eye. Go right there. And connect. So now that we have these two shapes, let's go ahead and come inside towards this edge more and draw a half circle. So I'm going to fit it right in here. And then let's come in and we're going to draw another circle. And then right here, I'm going to put in a circle for a highlight and shade the rest in. And so let's do the same thing. So towards this edge a little bit more. There. So now that we have these cute eyes, I'm going to come to the top right here and just thicken up this top line, just so we can anchor these eyes a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come on this eye. I'm just going to lightly draw a curve just to make the eyes look a little bit poofy, I guess, puffy. And then right above here, I'm going to start about right here and I'm going to curve down and over. We need to draw the brow and let's thicken it up. And then for this eye, same thing. Let's just draw a curve right here and here. And then for this brow, it's going to be just a curve. So right about here, I'm going to bring it down and then thicken it up. There. And now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the pout, right? The mouth. So I'm going to come to the center and I'm just going to make it a little bit easier. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm going to find my center. I'm just going to give myself a point right there, just to make it easier for me to draw. And so I'm going to go ahead and draw. Using that point, I'm going to draw a curve coming down underneath the eye, past the eye. So say about right here. This just makes it easier for me to center the mouth. But if you're drawing small, you don't have to do this. You can just go ahead and just draw the pout. So I'm just going to bring this down and end about the same height on both sides. And now that I have that, I'm going to round it off right here. Same thing here, round it off and then go ahead and thicken it up. There. So cute. And then I'm going to come in here lightly in the center and just draw a curve going all the way across. There. So then from there we need to draw the head shape, right? So let's come to where the brow is, just for a guide. I'm going to come out, not too wide, say about right here. Same thing on this side. Just give myself a point. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and draw this angle line coming down. So this bottom part is kind of like, I guess like drawing a pear, the bottom of a pear, I think. So we just want it nice and round. And let's see, say maybe around where the mouth is, we can start to kind of round it off. And then bring it down. So we've got a big bottom part here, big chin. So just go back and forth. See how low to bring it in. Say about right there. Go ahead. And we're just going to connect everything with this big curve. There. And then for the top, it's going to be much narrower. So we're going to continue this curve going up. Same thing on the other side. Now, if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish this curve because then you can put in the fins at the top, but I don't want to erase, so I'm just going to come about right here in the center. Just give myself a point, and using that point, I'm going to go ahead and just start my fins. So I'm just going to start this top one right here and go up. Create this kind of like a leaf shape. Then we're going to draw another one going the other way. And another one here. All coming towards the center, and then the center fin. Spike thing that's right in the center. And then right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw my curve to finish up the head. So just imagine it's coming through. There. So depending on how big you draw your fin, you might not need to draw this curve. Just play around with it. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the sides. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve coming down and then curve it in. Right here, a little bit thinner. It's going to get a little bit wider. And connect. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag a point across. We're going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to drag this across with them, just approximately the same height on both sides. So thicken it up a little bit and then narrow it in. There. And then of course the tail. So let's pop in the tail about right here, and we're going to come down. And there's two parts to it. So this is the first part. We're going to split it. We're going to go up and then come down. And let's see here, let's say about right here, we're going to draw a curve, imagine it coming out, and just complete it. There. And then you can lightly just draw in these fin lines. Right here, and maybe here as well, or you can do that when you're coloring. Just want to show you. And then of course there's some markings, so if you want to put that in, you can go ahead and just on the sides right here, just put in these ovals, and then on this side as well. And you know what, since this is my Draw So Cute Pout Pout Fish, I'm going to put a heart right there. To finish it up. And that is pretty much it. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's put in some bubbles here just to add some details. But that is pretty much it for this Draw So Cute version of the cute Pout Pout Fish. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.